A couple of weeks ago, I released a video explaining how I use digital products to increase the amount of profit I'm making with my books. And one of the questions I was getting asked was, well, how do I even create these types of digital products? Like, what do I use? And so today I want to show you an incredible tool that you can use to instantly create a digital product that 10x's your book revenue just by having a conversation. If you remember, I wrote a book in 2022 explaining to people how to launch their own print-on-demand t-shirt business. That product was hugely successful, all glory to Jesus, and so I leveraged it to actually make $300 per sale. What I did was I recorded myself teaching what I taught in the book and turned it into an online course version. So now instead of selling this $37 ebook, instead I was selling a $297 course that came with the ebook. I want you to hear those numbers. $37 ebook, $297 course. Same audience for both. So I wanted to show you how to very quickly do this for your own books as an indie author. And we're gonna use vibe coding. So step number one is to create your online course and upload it to YouTube as an unlisted video. Why are we uploading it to YouTube? Because YouTube has this amazing feature called unlisted, which means you can upload your video to the platform and have it as an unlisted video so nobody else can find it, but you get an embed code which you can place anywhere you want to. You guys remember back in the day when we had to pay hundreds of dollars a month to video hosting platforms to host our videos for us? Those days are over. Those days are over now. Just use YouTube. I'm going to show you how to do this. It's very, very easy. You're going to create a Gmail account. Then you're going to go to that top little right and click create YouTube channel. And now you can upload your video. Heads up, if you don't know how to record an online course, edit it, export it as an MP4 file so you can upload, get into the God Will Grow Faith-Based Author School. I have a video in there, training in there that shows you how to create your online course and turn your book into an online course. Go to christianauthorschool.com. The first thing you want to do is go to gmail.com and click create account and go ahead and set up a free account. Once you're all set up, on the top right here, click this, it's like a grid. Click this and it says Google Apps. You're going to click that and select YouTube. Now it'll take you to this screen and you have to set up your channel. So you're going to go to the top right where your profile icon is, click that, and right underneath your email address, click create a channel. Name your channel. Name your handle. This doesn't really matter because you're only using this in order to list your unlisted course, so it really doesn't matter. Then once you are all set up on your YouTube studio, click create, click upload videos, select your course. Your course should be an MP4 file. Then as it's uploading, all this information doesn't really matter because it's going to be, let me just type this t-shirt business accelerator. All this information doesn't matter because this is going to be unlisted. So I'm just going to skip all this. I don't need that. I don't need, well, you have to select this, but click next, 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 and here select unlisted. Do not make it private. Do not make it public, just unlisted. And this is the link we will be giving to our vibe coding platform to build our course. Step number two, go to ChatGPT and get your prompt. When we are vibe coding, it's like having a conversation with the smartest software engineer who knows everything, right? But it is a conversation. So we need to have that starting prompt to know how to tell the AI what we actually want. And so what I love about ChatGPT is it's extremely smart and it knows code. And so you're just gonna go into ChatGPT and tell it what you want to do and ask it for that starting prompt so that you can put into your vibe coding AI. Here we are in ChatGPT. Please feel free to just copy my prompt. I'm going to say, hi Chat, how are you doing today? Chat responded, good morning, I'm doing amazing, energized and ready to create with you. How are you feeling today? I'm going to say, thanks so much, feeling great. I was wondering if you could help me prompt my vibe coding again. Awesome. So it's asking, what exactly do I want to build? Because it's already helped me with these three things. So I'm going to say, thank you so much. I am building a online course version of my book that I want to sell for $297. I would like for the prompt to explain to Hostinger Horizons how to build my course with a YouTube unlisted video embed link, and then sell the course for $297 through Stripe on the Horizons website. When someone purchases, they get access to watch the video on the Horizon site with a username and password. So that's pretty clear. You can add in however many details that you want. I'm gonna go over to YouTube. I'm gonna click on that link and get this video link here. Just copy it. And I'll put, here is the link for the YouTube embed code. And put that there. So go ahead and just copy this prompt. Sorry about all the typos, but chat knows what I'm talking about. And once you're done, click the upward arrow and chat's going to give you the exact prompt to use. All right, chat finished that in like 20 seconds. So this is the prompt. It tells them where I want to create the signature course. It tells them to integrate the Stripe checkout, which is what you'll do as well. It tells them to create the username and password. Horizons integrates with something called Super Base, I think it's called. So you just sign up for that for free. And it tells you how to create the course page with the exact link. It tells you how to do the sales page, which is great. Awesome. So this is how you create your prompt. Just use ChatGPT, my love. Just use ChatGPT. Step number 3, sign up for Hosting or Horizons and create your online course. This part is so much fun, and what I recommend that you do is bundle your book and your course. And with our code, of course, we can do that. You don't have to though. If you want to do this as an upsell, so for example, if somebody purchased my book, Genesis Kyrie, I could then follow up an email blast and say, hey, by the way, in Genesis Kyrie, she starts a print-on-demand t-shirt business. Are you interested in starting a t-shirt business? Well, I have this course that shows it to you. Let me know if you want the link. And then I can email them that link. So you can do it both ways. Either you sell the book and the course together, or just the course as an upsell. So go to Hosting or Horizons, get signed up. I'll show you this step by step. Just follow along with me. I'm so excited to announce that today's video is sponsored by Hosting or Horizons. Shout out to Hostinger. Go to hostinger.com/Stephanie. And I recommend that you get started with a starter plan. You'll get 70 AI credits per month. You get a free domain for 1 year. You get 2 free mailboxes. You can create up to 25 websites on one plan. You heard me right. 25 websites. You can sell subscriptions. You can sell physical and digital products. It's absolutely incredible. You also get 24/7 access to customer support, and you get a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you get started, you're like, oh, I'm not feeling this too much, you get that money-back guarantee. It's absolutely a game changer. When you go ahead and select plan, go ahead and fill out all the details. And over here where it says have a coupon code, look at this, put in Stephanie. Click apply. And boom, baby, you got 10% off. Thank you, Hostinger. Go ahead and click continue. Once you finish signing up, you'll be taken to this page, and this is where we put our prompt. So I'm going to go back into ChatGPT, and I'm going to copy this prompt. Then in Horizons, I will paste it, click this button, and you are going to watch Horizons build your site for you. It's incredible. All right, let's see what we got. Here we go. Look at this. We have a landing page. Gorgeous. And what's cool about this is if you click edit content, it'll tell you where you can just change that stuff as you want. And then anything you have to change with the code, it'll tell you this can only be changed through chat. So this looks really good. Let me just preview this for you so you can see this full screen. Look at this, absolutely beautiful. And anything that you want to change, you just change it through the chat. So for example, this photo, I definitely want to change. And then the green, I want to change to pink. So on the left here, I'll say, this is amazing. Thank you so much. Can you change the green to pink? And for the photo of the woman, can you change that to a woman reading a book? There we go. And now it's gonna update that for us. And now it says, perfect, I've made both updates. Color was changed to pink. Hero image was updated. And you could do anything else. You could do anything else too. You just have to have that conversation and it'll make the change for you. So now here we go. Here's the pink that it changed it to. It did not change the hero image. So let me click edit content and click this image. Oh, I can upload it myself. I didn't realize that. So I'll put upload new image. Awesome. Wow. I didn't know you could do that. That's pretty cool. Okay. And so let me go ahead and now ask it to show me what the course itself looks like. So I'll say, this is amazing. Can you show me the page where the course plays when a student is logged in? And now it gave me the demo username and login. So I'll go ahead and open in a new tab. And now it says, welcome demo user, congrats on investing in yourself. And then I can just click start watching. This is pretty. So I'll click start watching. Look at that. And now they can just press play and watch the full video. Oh, wow. It gave, I love this. It gave comments too. That is how quickly you can do this. And so now once you're all done, up here, you'll click publish and then go to your email list of book readers and email them, let them know this is available. New course, or want to start a t-shirt business. So I'll put, hey sis, thanks for purchasing Genesis Kyrie. If you're interested in also creating your own print on demand t-shirt business, I created a course that shows you how. Let me know if you'd like the link. XOX Stephanie. So just a simple promo email like that. So that way somebody's emailing me back, letting me know that they would actually like to purchase. And that is how you can very, very quickly increase your book revenue just by adding an online course for it, a digital product for it. And we did it all through Horizons. We did it all through Horizons. We did it through having a conversation. We did it through having a conversation. Praise the Lord. So to get started with your Horizons website, go to hostinger.com/Stephanie and use discount code Stephanie at checkout to get 10% off your entire hosting plan. If you use this method, this is a way for you to instantly 10x your revenue as an author, because you're not only selling just the book anymore. Now you are selling a digital product. You are selling an online course where somebody is able to take action, get a great solution to a problem. That is the same thing that you teach inside of your book. Of course, all this only works if you actually write a book. So if you have not yet written and self-published your own book, I have an incredible program for you called the God That Would Grow Faith-Based Author School, where I show you how to do it step by step in 31 days or less. Let me give you a little sneak peek. Hey, it's your girl, Steph Rodness, and if you've been struggling to move forward on your journey as a faith-based author, I've created a brand new community called the God That Would Grow Faith-Based Author School, just for women like you who want to move forward in your purpose as a woman of Christ, writing books. The school includes the Author Toolkit, which has 10 tutorials for 10 different types of Christian books you can write, including nonfiction books, daily devotionals, prayer journals, ebooks. There's a lot in there. You'll get access to the God That Would Grow Book Funnel Toolkit, which shows you how to take your book, bundle it up, and put it into a sales funnel, including a lead magnet funnel, a tripwire funnel, and my very favorite, a webinar funnel. You'll get access to the book promotion toolkit, which shows you how to create a marketing plan to promote your funnel, because in order for people to buy our books, right, we have to tell them about it. And that's what the marketing toolkit shows you how to do. Plus, you'll get access to a community of other women who are writing faith-based books just like you are. Sis, you do not have to do this alone. Come join the brand new God That Would Grow Faith-Based Author School so you can get the tutorials you need, you can get the community you need, and most importantly, you can get the network that you need to step into your purpose as a faith-based author. I can't wait to see you there. Visit christianauthorschool.com to fill out the application form and apply today. In the meantime, don't forget to watch my free 3-day Start Your Book Business Challenge, where I show you how to start building your email list as an indie author within 3 days or less. Go to christianbusinesstoolkit.com, and don't forget to watch this video for even more resources to help you step into your purpose as an indie author. I can't wait to see you there.